Okay, so today's our lesson is lesson number 17 and it is about Ya Leen. In the previous lesson, we have learned about Wao Leen, right?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me how many Leen letters?
Three. Think
No, the Leen letter.
two.
Two. Which one?
Wow. And yeah.
Very good. And do you remember the definition of Wao Leen?
No.
Okay, let me repeat. I told you that the definition of Wao Leen and Ya Leen both are same, right? And the definition is when Vav or Ya has sukoon sign on it and the letter before Vav or Ya comes with Fatha sign, so we will call it Vowleen or Yaleen. Okay,
Okay.
and now what we do? We just read it normally. So that is the lean letters Vowleen and Yaleen. So let's start from here. Read this one.
I
Hmm. Next.
buy
Hmm.
die sai die
It's Jim.
die hi hi
Pronounce it from your throat. The ha is one of the throat letter. So it is hoi.
hoi
Next.
doi
Dai.
die zai rai zai sai 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 die die
It's to. To is one of the bold letter. Remember?
yeah
Toi.
doi
Can you tell me how many bold letters we have?
five
No. There are seven bold letters. Okay. How many bold letters?
seven
Seven. And those are ha, sod, dod, ghain, ta, qaf, and za. So these are the seven bold letters, and whenever you see any one of them in the Quran, so you must have to read them with the heavy and strong voice. Okay?
okay
Yes. And also let me tell you one tip about the bold letters, and that is that the easy way to pronounce the bold letters to make it bold is that like whenever you want to read the bold letters, so just round your lips and then pronounce it. So it will automatically become bold.
okay
Okay.
doi
Zoi,
doi noi
nai,
nai why hi
very good. Excellent. Okay, so the exercise of this lesson, inshallah ta'ala, we will start in the next class. And now tell me the kalimas.